Grandma sent me to buy medicine alone.
I am on the bus now.
I got off the wrong bus. I checked the bus schedule carefully.
You got on the wrong bus, didn't you? Next time, I will go with you.
Grandma sent me to buy medicine alone. I have never taken the bus by myself.
Take bus number 7 to Main Street. Buy the medicine and come straight home.
This is the bus stop. I need to find bus number 7.
I pay the bus fare to ride. The fare is $2.50.
I get on the bus at the bus stop. Get on means to board the bus.
I am on the bus now. So far, so good. But will I find the right stop?
I watch for my stop carefully. My destination is Main Street.
Oh no! This is not Main Street. I think I am on the WRNG bus. Excuse me. Can you help me, please?
She says I must get off at the next stop. Then I transfer to bus number 7. I got off the wrong bus, but it is okay. I am transferring to the right one now. I will not give up.
Bus number 7. Finally, this is my correct bus.
I get off at Main Street. Get off means to leave the bus. I bought the medicine. I did it. Mission accomplished. Now I must go home on the bus again. Can I do it without getting lost? I checked the bus schedule carefully. A schedule shows the bus times and routes. Always check the number before you get on. I learned this the hard way today. Now I relax on the bus home. I know my destination and my stop.
You took 2 hours for a 10-minute trip. What happened, Grandpa?
I got the medicine. That is what matters. And I learned so much English today.
You got on the wrong bus, didn't you? Next time, I will go with you.
Today we learned transport words: bus stop, fare, schedule, get on, get off, transfer.
3 key bus phrases from today. Which bus goes to? How much is the fare? Get off at the next stop. I used all 3 today.
Get on the bus, not get in the bus. Get in the car, never get in the bus. Remember this always, very important. Next time we go to the market together, you will learn all the shopping English. And I will watch Grandpa.
Always check the bus number before getting on. And always bring your phone for help.
Subscribe to Nana English Daily now. New English lesson every 2 days.
I took the bus alone. You can do it too.